after having understood what are prime numbers, okay, we will move to the topic prime factorization. Prime factorization simply means factorization. You know how to get the factors. You know this very well because we did division and multiplication method in factors. So here you need to understand, in prime factorization you have to find out the factors of a number, and that factor should be prime numbers. Alright, prime numbers are the numbers that I have already told you. Prime numbers are the numbers which has only two factors. Okay, prime numbers are the numbers which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Okay, 1 and the number itself. There is no any other number can be the factor of any prime number. Alright, so we start prime factorization. There are basically two methods: repeated division and factor tree. Alright, repeated division and factor tree. We will start from repeated division. In repeated division method, you should keep in mind that you have to divide the number until you don't get 1. Alright, once you got 1, you need not to further divide the number. In other words, if you have got 1 in last, the number is not further divisible. Alright, another thing, you should always start from the smallest number, smallest prime number. Alright, and we know smallest prime number is 2. So when we have taken a number, like here I have taken number 36. 36 is an even number. So we know the even number is always divisible by 2. So first we will take 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 eights are 16. Alright, now you have 18. 18 is also even number. So this is also divisible by 2. 2 nines are 18. Now here is 9. 9 is an odd number. 9 is an odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. Now you need to see the next even number, next prime number. Next prime number is 3. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 threes are 9. Now you have 3. 3 is divisible by only 3. 3 ones are 3. So here your factors are these. You write your factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and into 1. You can check. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 threes are 36. Alright, so these are the factors of this. Now come to factor tree. Factor tree is also same. The process, the method is same. The method of doing and solving the question is same, only the presentation is different. We write it in a different way. All the things are same we are doing in both the methods. We have to divide the number from the prime numbers, and we will divide the number till we are not getting 1. Alright, but how to write it, that is different. Alright, it is 36. We have put in 2 arrows here, and 36 is divisible by 2, as you can see here. So you write down 2 here. 18 twos are 36. Alright, now you can see 2 is a prime number, so we cannot do anything more with this number. So you just leave it here. 18 is further divisible. Okay, so for 18s we will put again 2 arrows like this. Here you can see 9 twos are 18. So here 2 and here 9. Now again 2, it's of no use for us, so leave it here. Now 9 is further divisible. Okay, but 9 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3 only. 3 threes are 9. Right, now leave 3 here. 3 is divisible by itself only, so your last factor will be 3 ones are 3. Alright, 3 ones are 3. So these are the two methods by which we can find out the prime factors. Alright, I hope this much is clear to you all.